Did you know that TikTok is now becoming more of a search engine platform? Meaning it's showing its content to its users based on what they're typing in on the app. Not only that, TikTok is on its way to become a powerful search engine. An article that was published by Insider last year said that TikTok, according to Cloudflare, got way more traffic than Google, which is really surprising because this app has not been around for that long. Just last month, TechCrunch published an article, this one right here, that said the VP of Google's Knowledge and Information admitted at a Fortune's Brainstorming Tech Conference that TikTok is impacting not only YouTube but also Google's search and maps, which is pretty incredible. So if you're a business owner, gone are the days that you think that TikTok is just a Gen Z app. This is going to be a serious source for you to attract your ideal follower or customer. So make sure that you pay attention to this video because I'm going to break down what TikTok SEO is all about and how to do it exactly for your business. If you're new to SEO, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is basically making tweaks or optimizing your content so that it can rank higher for search results or search engines. In this case, it's going to be TikTok as the search engine. The exact strategy that I'm going to share with you have helped me rank my videos on the top positions on TikTok. So here are a few examples. If you type how to make an infographic, I pop up. Email, how to build an email list, how to schedule Instagram reels, and it goes on. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna think about what type of content to create based on search intent. How do you do this? You're gonna go to the TikTok app and then you're gonna type in your seed keyword or key phrase. This can be anything that's related to your niche. So for an example, if you're in social media and marketing, just type in social media and then have TikTok auto suggest the questions that people are asking. Then you're gonna take those ideas and you're gonna either put it to your notepad, write it down on a piece of paper, so you have all that research in one place. Currently, there are no TikTok specific keyword research tools out there, but I highly recommend you check out Topic Mojo, SEMrush, and also Google Keyword Planner to get ideas of questions and keywords that you want to rank for. And then you're going to record your video. You can either do it on the TikTok app, which is what I mostly do, or you can use your smartphone to do it. If you use your smartphone and you're not recording your video inside the TikTok editor, I suggest you save it to your computer and rename your video with the keyword there. So it kind of gives that extra level of boost to your SEO strategy. Next, once you bring the video into TikTok, you're going to make sure you add keywords in these places. Number 1, make sure you add your keywords to the description of your video before you hit publish. Make sure you actually say the keyword or key phrase in your video. Turn on the automatic caption using TikTok and use the in-app text feature. This is really important. So for an example, if you're talking about social media tools and that's the keyword that you want to rank for, you make sure you add the text social media tools. And now just hit publish on your TikTok video. That's basically TikTok SEO in a nutshell. But here's a bonus tip. If you want to make this video go a long way, do this. Once you publish your TikTok video, make a mini blog post talking about the content in your TikTok video. And you're going to embed your TikTok video on your blog post. I do have a full tutorial where I show you how to do this exactly step by step. So make sure to check out my profile for that video. And then once you publish your blog, you're going to use cross-platform traffic. You can use sources like Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, or even GMB to drive traffic to that blog post that has your TikTok video in it. This will give you a higher chance in ranking your TikTok on not just TikTok, but also the Google search results page. I really hope this was helpful. Make sure to save this for later and follow for more.